Hey y'all, it's Cliff with GI Mechanic Scale Modeling. So today is Monday, the 2nd of November. Okay, there is a live stream tonight. However, the time is going to be a little bit different. It is going to be probably closer to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have to go to a place tonight. I got to beat on some parts, and I got to meet the guy at 5 o'clock. So that's the time he gets out of work, and that's the time I can meet him. So, with that being said, I will be doing a live stream tonight. It'll probably be later. It'll probably be closer to like 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So, yeah, we'll definitely have a good time. I know a lot of y'all work, and I get it. It's a Monday, even if I got to cut it short, but we'll still do a live stream. All right, so it's Cliff with GI Mechanic Scale Modeling, signing off. See ya.